Good morning. This is Dr. Timothy Scott Beck here at Life Point Medical, and I'll say good morning to you. It is November the 18th of 24, excuse me. And we're up here going wide open this morning. So if you got any problems, just let us know. And we will call us at 706-782-0016, and we'll get to you. And we'll hopefully get you taken care of in a prompt manner. That's what our goal is today. So there's been a few changes here in the office. I want to explain them to you. So one of the things that I kept seeing was confusion in the lobby, and the lobby not being the most efficiently run. And I'm trying to think of a better way to handle stuff, to communicate better with people, to get you in here and decrease this confusion in the lobby. So what I've done is I took one of my employees and I've set them out actually in the lobby, in the waiting room, to try to help you guys when you come in with less confusion, make things a little bit quicker for you, point you in the right direction when it goes, and also to, if something's not going right or something's not going down the way it's supposed to, they can help go ahead and get started on trying to mediate that for you and try to help you through it so that we can minimize the problem and get you taken care of as soon as possible. So right now we have two people out there. We have Mary, which is one of our receptionist people, and we have Spence, who is one of who works for us in the background, kind of out there helping you. Okay, so if you got questions about what's going on when you get here, or you don't know where you're going, or there's something like that, use them. They're there to guide you and inform you and to help you out. And we're going to see how this works. We've had great feedback from it. And we've heard things like, hey, no other doctor's office has done this before. This is really cool. Thank you for doing this. This makes it a lot easier for me. So with the traffic that we get through here, and we've got a pretty high volume at times, I think this is going to be a great asset. It's going to help you, and it's going to help us out. So let's see how it goes. And the main point of this is I was listening to you guys, listening to your feedback and trying to do better, try to deliver to you better what you need and want from a medical office. Okay. The second thing is look, I talk about therapies that we do all the time here, but there is one therapy that I feel like has really just been a game changer for my patients and me in this office, and that is testosterone therapy. And I was naive to it to about 4 or 5 years ago. I'd used some of it, but not a lot. And there's been a little public controversy about it and whether it's good or bad and all this other stuff. But when you cut to the chase with testosterone, it really does look like it is the most significant therapy that we're doing for anybody, male and female, as we get older. It decreases your depression. It decreases your mental fogginess. It helps with stamina. It helps decrease, like you get when you start taking testosterone, you get a 5% increase in your lean body mass and like an 8% decrease in your fat, non-lean body mass. It's great for osteoporosis. It protects your eyes and protects your brain from aging. So we've really, I'm really been impressed with testosterone therapy and the benefits with it. And it may be, we've always been looking for that fountain of youth. I'm going to tell you right now, I think it's as close to the fountain of youth as I've ever seen in my 30 years of working in medicine and working around people and patients and trying to do the best we can. So I just wanted to mention that to you. If you feel like you need hormone replacement therapy, you can always come to the office. You can talk to us. We'll give you a severity of illness sheet, which helps us figure out exactly what's going on with you in regards to those hormones, because there's specific things that you can tag back to it, like fatigue, lack of libido, hair loss or hair in places you don't want it to be. All these different things, we can help you figure out whether or not testosterone therapy would be right for you or not. But man, I have to say, it is one of the most significant treatments that I've seen in my lifetime, with overall improvement in a patient's quality of life the way they feel, the way they act, and increases their ability to get out and do things that they really want to do with themselves. All righty. And we're always here to talk to you. I mean, our number one game here in town is listening to the patients. We try to listen, try to figure out what's wrong with you, and come up with solutions that are reasonable within the standard of care. And we also do our preventive care to try to keep you safe and healthy and keep you out of the hospital and keep you out of experiencing the full blunt of all these diseases that people eventually get as you get older, and the challenges that come with age and misfortune and all the other stuff that goes along with poor health care outcomes. All right, call us at 706-782-0016 if you need us to see you. We'll be more than happy to see you and get you taken care of. Thank you for listening.